Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the app and hardware. Install the latest Dolphin and make sure your Xbox controller is connected via USB or paired by Bluetooth so the OS recognizes it as an X input device. Once done, launch Dolphin and go straight to controllers. Set the Wii remote slot you'll use to emulated Wiimote. This choice lets you manually map buttons to the Xbox pad. It's necessary because real Wii remotes aren't X input devices and need emulation to function. Now you'll map controls and motion so gameplay feels natural. In the emulated Wiimote settings, assign face buttons, shoulder buttons, start/select, and the D-pad to your Xbox buttons. Then map the left stick to character movement and the right stick to the IR pointer or gyro input. Enable motion plus emulation for titles needing gyro. Calibrate by adjusting dead zones and sensitivity until pointer drift and stick snap feel right. Finally, save the configuration as a profile so you don't repeat this. Finish by testing the controller in a compatible Wii game. Try pointing, swinging, and menu navigation to confirm mappings and motion. If something feels off, tweak sensitivity and dead zones. Save each incremental profile so you can revert quickly. If inputs don't register or lag, make sure the controller is in X input mode, update or reinstall X input drivers, and run Dolphin with appropriate permissions. One key troubleshooting tip. If pointer drift or ignored inputs persist, disable Bluetooth power management and reconnect with a wired USB cable to rule out wireless latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.